gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well guys, I just got done creating this beautiful bluish turquoise look, and if you guys want to see how I created this look using this palette right here from Hipdot, beautiful colors in this palette. Let me open it up so you guys can see how beautiful is this color. Like, look how gorgeous is the turquoise, the blues, just everything all around. You can even use this palette if you guys want a neutral color, but I just wanted to play with these blues because these blues were calling my name. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. Alright guys, so I already primed my eyes off camera just for the purpose of the video. So we're just going to begin with this makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using this palette right here, and this is the Hipdot palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm last month. I haven't used this yet. So this is actually my second palette from Hipdot. And look how beautiful is these colors. It's gorgeous. Like, it has a lot of the shimmer, the blues, the light baby blues, and a little bit of the neutral browns and a little bit of that glittery gold. And I'm liking this glittery green color right here. And yeah, I'm gonna play with that and see what we can create in our eyelids. I'm going to be using this flat brush right here, and I'm going to place Spirit, this blue color right here. I'm going to place that on my crease area on my lid. I'm going to use that much. I don't know what look I am trying to go for. We're just going to look at the palette and just create a beautiful look. So we're going to pack this color on the lid. I didn't put foundation on just because I don't know if this palette has fallout. That's the whole reason why I didn't put the foundation on. And then we'll blend afterwards. But how is you guys' New Year's? Are you guys enjoying your New Year? Comment down below and let me know. I'm nosy. I want to know what you guys are up to, what you guys are doing. But you see, I'm just packing the color right now. Just want that dark, this, I'm gonna say like a navy blue color. And then we're gonna blend it out. I'm loving that color, beautiful. I'm gonna do the other eye. Now I'm going to use my Morphe M506, just like that. And I'm just going to blend out that harsh line. Gently, guys. Really soft. We're feathering it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this color right here, Maya, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to grab that blue color, and I'm just going to place it right up here on the top. Place it together just so we can blend that color out and give it a different dimension. And do it on the other eye. I'm gonna grab that dark blue color again, bring that color back. I cleaned out my brush, and I'm just going to blend that soft blue color with that darker blue and just blend it gently. But anyways, we're just going to blend. This eyeshadow look is blending. That's the key of this look. And soft blend. See that? Smoke it out a little bit. And I'm bringing it up just a tab. I'm gonna grab that blue again, that darker blue, and just place it again in the center all over the lid, just to intensify that blue because I don't want it to go away. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place this color right here. It's like a bluish grayish color. I'm gonna place that in the inner and outer corner, this flat brush right here, and I'm gonna get that blacking. It's like a bluish grayish color in the center and outer corner of the eyelid. This will give it a little more dimension. You gotta pack this color because it's like hard to blend with that blue. And then blend just a tad in my brush and just blend a little bit. Then I'm gonna grab that blue color again and just intensify that color. All we're doing is just doing the same process over again. Grab that black. Because now what we're gonna do is we're going to cut the crease. So I'm going to use my P. Louise, and this is blank canvas. And I'm going to be using Showstopper Beauty CC1 Cut and Crease. Brush is amazing. And this P. Louise blank canvas, use a little bit because a little bit goes a long, long way. I'm doing a half cut crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place that blue back right here. I am putting no product in. I'm just using the product that was in the brush and just bringing it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, the name is Goddess, and it's like a greenish bluish glittery color, and I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. I'm going to use a little flat brush, super flat. I'm going to spray my brush. Look how gorgeous is that blue. I'm going to place that right where I cut the crease. That's beautiful. Now I'm using this glittery blue color right here, and I'm just placing that right in that center just to blend with that dark blue and also that turquoise. So right here on the center, blending that out. That's beautiful. I'm going to wing my eyes, and I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and this is in black. I'm going to use my wipe and clean all that product out. Thank God that I did not foundation for this look because I have a lot of fallout. So I already finished up my face and I did my lashes. So now we're going to finish up the eyes and do our lips, and then we will be done. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use, let's see, this color right here. And I want to also use this blue color right here, and I'm going to place that underneath my waterline. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Actually, I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here, and I'm just going to use that blue color first, and I'm just going to smoke it out. Do the other eye. This is super pretty, guys. I'm loving this palette right now. And then to bring out that blue, I'm going to use that light blue color. Use the same brush and put it underneath, just to lighten that other color out, that blue color. That is gorgeous. Do you see that, guys? I'm loving it. I'm going to use a nude liner. I'm going to be using Extreme Lasting from Essence, and this is a nude eye pencil. And I'm just gonna place that on my waterline, and this will open my eyes up. See how beautiful that is? That's gorgeous. Grande Drama mascara in black, and I'm gonna place that in my waterline. So now we're gonna do the inner corner of the eye. So what we're gonna use is, I really liking this color right here, and that's Rain. It's like a silvery blue color. I'm gonna grab a little brush like this, and I'm gonna spray it just so I can get that pigment. Do you see how beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. That brings out the eyeshadow. Look how beautiful that looks. Gorgeous. I'm loving the eyes. All right guys, so now I'm done with the eyes. So we're just gonna do our lip. I'm gonna use this lip pencil, and this is from ColourPop BFF3. Loving it. So now I'm just gonna put in my lips in the middle, just something soft and neutral. Let's see, like a little lip gloss or something. BH Cosmetic liquid lining, and this is in soft pink. All right guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial using the Hipdot palette. I enjoy myself, and this was a beautiful look. And if you guys like this look, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. Adios.